Hello designers, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to build a staircase from start to finish in Planner 5D so that you can implement this into your own designs. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to give us a like. In fact, if we get 100 likes, we will make a part 2 going over more staircase styles and more advanced techniques. Alright, let's dive in. Start by opening your project with the floor plan you'll be using, then head to the Build category and open the Staircase catalog. For this example, we'll keep it simple and choose a straight staircase. Next, you'll need to adjust the wall measurements to make room for the staircase. You can do this by adding a break in the wall and resizing it to the correct width. The reason for this is that the staircase needs to be placed in its own room to create the proper opening effect in the ceiling. Once that's done, hide the walls by clicking the eye icon. Then create a new room for the staircase and make sure it fits perfectly into the opening you just created. Hide the interior walls of this room as well so that you don't see a visible separation between the two spaces. Since the staircase is on the first floor, we need to create an opening in the ceiling. To do that, all you have to do is select Hide Ceiling from the lower menu bar. Next, go to the Floor Layers tab and click New Floor to create the second level. Then create a new room on this floor, making sure it matches the one below. Add wall breaks where needed so the staircase opening lines up, and then once again hide the walls that touch the staircase room. Be sure to label your layers clearly so you can easily switch between them as you work. The last step is to hide the floor on the second level, which completes the vertical opening for the staircase and allows it to pass cleanly between floors. In the 3D view, you can now see how these separate rooms work together to create the opening for the staircase, making the transition between floors feel seamless. Now that the structure is in place, let's take a look at a few different staircase layouts through the 4K renderings so that you can see how this setup can be adapted. And that's how you can add a staircase in Planner 5D, quick, easy, and fully customizable. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments if there are any tutorials that you would like to see. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!